Hello, my friends. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to teach you about the colors. Colors make the world so pretty. We can see colors everywhere we look. Let's learn about the colors together and have lots of fun. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, pink, brown, black, white. Do you know what's the rainbow? I know. Let's show you. Colors of the rainbow. So many to see and know. Red, yellow, pink, purple, orange, blue, green. Oh, what a show! Rainbow, rainbow, shining bright, a colorful arc in the sky. Let's celebrate this house so right. Let our spirits soar up high. Colors of the rainbow, so many to see and know. Red, yellow, pink, purple, orange, blue, green. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, scene, rainbow in the sky so high, colors bright catch your eye. Rainbow, rainbow, shining brighter, colorful arc in the sky. Red to violet, what a sight, let's sing and dance so much. Rain and sun come together, rainbow forms now and forever. Seven colors side by side, colors of joy, let's take a ride. Rainbow, rainbow, shining bright, a colorful arc in the sky. Red to violet, what a sight, let's sing and dance so much. Reach for the rainbow up so high, touch the colors, let them fly. Spread your arms and feel the love colors of the rainbow above. Have fun learning and playing with colors, my little friends. See you!